Hi, Kelly Epping, Portfolio Manager for Softail. Let's talk about the new 2025 Breakout. This is our muscular chopper known for this insanely wide 240 rear. In 2025, this 5-gallon tank will feature a new wet slide and medallion combination. This bike in front of you, the color is called Centerline, but Breakout is also available this year in a custom paint scheme called Midnight Firestorm. It has some insanely cool ghosted flames, so I recommend you check that one out too. In 2025, Softail now offers a full suite of LED lighting. Tip to tail, all lighting is now LED. All Softail models now feature an adjustable brake lever to accommodate different size hands or different riding styles or preferences. Also standard is cruise control across the board. New in 2025, we have integrated ride modes, so rain, road, and sport are also standard. Also this year, the USB plug, which is located right in front of the tank, has been updated to being a USB-C. This year, under the seat, there is a new plug to power your heated gear. And on to everyone's favorite topic, powertrain. For 2025, Breakout received an enhanced Milwaukee-Eight 117 with the custom configuration, meaning this powertrain delivers 104 horsepower and 126 foot-pounds of torque. It also has a new intake to deliver more air with a larger throttle body and retains the traditional 2-into-2 exhaust. This model has redesigned cylinder heads, leading to improved fuel economy and enhancing torque. Breakout has integrated a suite of rider safety enhancements from straight line and corner A traction control, straight line and corner A ABS, as well as drag torque slip control. All these are standard. TPMS is now standard as well, and the suspension on this Breakout model has been enhanced for better comfort and handling. So to experience all of these enhancements, head to your local Harley-Davidson dealer and take one out, check out that new 117, try out the ride modes, and experience the suspension.